So hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how can you make a button on long pressed then activity in sketchware. So for this you need this sketchware app, this version of sketchware. So if I look at show you this view, here you see. Now if I go to creating an app, naming app, I will show you that what things are there. Well, it is taking some time. I am turning off my network and now it works smoothly. So here you see, here are a lot of things new in this version like this. If you have the latest, then you can get this easily, but this is not the latest version. This is some step past versions of sketchware. I don't have the latest, I have this. So I'm going to show you that how can you download this. So you have to go to Google and search this sketchware pro mode epic latest version download. Well, I'm turning on my network connection. Now if I search it, here you see. Now go to this website happymode.com. Now here if you tap on this button, your sketchware will be downloaded successfully and you will get it in the downloads tab. You will get it in the Chrome downloads. Chrome, here you see downloads. Here you see, here is the app. I have already installed this app, so I am now getting from the first. Now here you see this is sketchware. Now I tap on my created project. Now you see here at first I have to give a button giving width match parent and then give two buttons. Now button 2 on click, here you see so here you see here on the controller, you see in the controller you see when view long clicked. So I am setting here this code and button 2 on click, on long clicked, the thing will happen, view set background color of button 1 to, I am setting my favorite color indigo. Okay, now button 3 on click on controller and when view long clicked button 3 long click, then we can give anything. I am just giving a sample like I am now setting the text color of button 1 to deep orange. Now these are the samples. You can give anything you want, like here the design, you can give anything you want in your app. Here are different things like elevation, background color, width and height, color 1, color 2, etc. And here in also in views, like so now I am running the app. Just wait a while till the app is being run and installed successfully. You should allow it. Now here you see, here is the app. Now if I button long press on the button 2, then see what happens. Here you see the button is turned into green, sorry, blue, and I long press the third button, then see, here you see the button text has turned into red. So it was a bit late because my phone is hang at this moment because of installing a new app. After installing an app, the phone lags sometimes. So well, this was my tutorial. I want to say you something with a lot of sadness and grief of my mind that I have totally given 82 tutorials of sketchware till this time. I have a lot of thanks to the subscribers and the viewers of this channel. I also thank you for viewing this video, but I haven't get enough subscribers or enough likes, enough shares, enough comments on my videos. I don't know why, but I have a request to you to subscribe this channel if you are new, to like this video and share these videos, and you can put a comment to encourage me. So I'm not saying all of this from my with uh, I'm not saying all these uh, eventually, but I know that I am saying this from my mind, and these are not parts of my video. These are from the parts of my mind. So okay, thank you.